wonderful character and the added bonus of getting two for the price of one. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute privilege today to show you through this one-of-a-kind family gem here in the heart of Ryde. Let's go take a look. Not only is there a wonderfully presented 3-bedroom Californian bungalow on offer, but it also comes with the added bonus of a freestanding 2-bedroom granny flat facing its own street frontage on Thorn Street. This really is a rare opportunity. All of this located only a stone's throw from Meadowbank station. It's an extremely popular location. If you have any further questions, make sure you give me a call and I'm more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to meeting you at our next open home.